Good morning, Northern Michigan, from your local National Weather Service office in Gaylord. This is meteorologist Dave Lawrence with you once again, bringing you the latest rendition of our hazardous weather briefing for northern lower and eastern upper Michigan. Today is Sunday, the 19th day of May, 2013. Here's a quick look at our hazardous weather highlights here. Really, the only main hazard will be thunderstorms across all of northern Michigan. Those chances will begin tonight and continue right on through the day on Wednesday. Some heavy rainfall is possible. We'll talk about that here in just a minute. And there's also a small chance that a couple of those storms could be severe, especially Monday evening and Monday night. Starting off with our early morning weather map, complex low pressure taking shape over the plains. Lots of severe weather ongoing, even at this early hour out that way. That's sort of a hint of things to come. That system will continue to develop as we go through the afternoon and evening hours today, such that by later this afternoon, we'll be sitting high and dry up here in northern Michigan with high pressure and control. But we'll see that low pressure system again developing and strengthening out across the plain states, with another round of severe weather expected out that way in the form of damaging winds, large hail, and some tornadoes as well. Now, by this evening, that low pressure system moves just a bit to the east, centered mainly in eastern Nebraska, secondary low pressure in northern Texas. We'll also see a cold front sort of slowly sag in from the north, and that feature will become an interest as we go through the overnight hours, as it may bring an increase in some showers and thunderstorms across much of northern Michigan as well. The better chance for those showers and thunderstorms will actually arrive for the day on Monday and continue into Tuesday as that front slowly sags southward and low pressure approaches from the west. We also get a bit better moisture up into this area as the Gulf of Mexico opens up. So all those will combine to give us a fairly wet stretch of weather as we go into the early and midweek period for your coming work week. Now, as I mentioned earlier, there is a small chance that some of those storms could become severe. That would be mainly Monday evening and Monday night. And that would be the remnants of whatever develops upstream of us, up across Iowa, southern Minnesota, southern Wisconsin. Some of that may just clip areas along and south of the M55 corridor. That's something we'll keep a close eye on here over the next couple of days. But just something to tuck in the back of your mind that there could be a couple of severe storms out there again Monday evening and Monday night. Pushing further ahead, by Wednesday, that low pressure system is really not in any hurry to leave. There's really nothing in the atmosphere to give it a shove, if you will, to the east. That won't happen until late in the week. In the meantime, we'll keep chances of rain around right on through the day on Wednesday, perhaps even into Wednesday night. And by the time all is said and done, look at these rainfall amounts. Heaviest to our west, of course, but we will see rainfall amounts expected anywhere between 1.5 inches and 2.5 inches on average right on through Friday night. Otherwise, a look at a couple of specifics. Really, not a bad day today. A little bit more humid, definitely much warmer out there. Some passing clouds at times. There could even be a couple of afternoon showers developing inland areas. That is not going to ruin your day. Don't worry too much about that. But if you see a couple of raindrops, don't be too surprised. Otherwise, look for highs inland well into the 80s. Slightly cooler north of the bridge, but still well into the 70s up that way. And then, as we mentioned, hazards outlook. Look for thunderstorms. Basically from tonight right on through Wednesday at times. Well, this concludes the latest rendition of this briefing. Thanks for your time this morning. Hope you have a great second half of the weekend today. Get outside and definitely enjoy the weather before it turns a little more crummy into the midweek period. Otherwise, stop by and interact with us on Facebook, Twitter, and send us your questions, send us your pictures. We'd love to have all of that and interact with us however you would like. Please come back and also join us for the latest update to this briefing, which will be posted online no later than 5 p.m. this evening.